Hi everyone, this is the first practice problem for section 5.5. So right now, up to this section, the only tool that we had for taking an integral was the power rule. And I could use the power rule for this problem. I could multiply x cubed plus 6 out 4 times and then multiply through by the negative 2x squared. But that's a lot of work. So instead I'm going to use substitution. So I'm going to start off by rewriting this integral so you can see how I'm making this substitution. So I'm going to pull the negative 2 out in front. And I'm actually going to put that x squared in the back next to dx. So I'm going to write x cubed plus 6 to the 4th times x squared dx. And now I'm going to use a u substitution. I'm going to let u equal x cubed plus 6. And if I take the derivative of this, I'll have du dx equal to 3x squared. And I can multiply both sides of this by dx, getting this equation here. Now I'm thinking about making this substitution, and I don't have a 3x squared, I just have a plain x squared. So I'm going to divide both sides by the 3 and write 1/3 du equal to x squared dx. So now I can actually fill in the substitution. This x cubed plus 6, I made this a u, and this x squared dx became a 1/3 du. And so I'm going to rewrite this integral as negative 2 integral of u to the 4th times 1/3 du. And now I can bring that 1/3 out in front with a negative 2, and I'll have negative 2/3 times the integral of u to the 4th du. And now I can apply that power rule. And so I'll increase that power by 1 and divide by the new power, giving me negative 2/15 u to the 5th plus c. But I don't want to leave my answer in terms of u because this is an indefinite integral. I want to put this back into terms of x. So remember that u is x cubed plus 6. So we're going to replace that back in, and we'll have x cubed plus 6 to the 5th plus c. Now remember, you can always check your work by taking the derivative of your answer and seeing if you get the original integrand.